Click on the search icon and type here Task Manager. Open the Task Manager app. In here, click this menu to make this menu visible. Then select here Performance. Under Performance, select Memory. And under Memory, here we can see my current computer cached file. Now, to clear these cached files, all you have to need, go to your browser and search for RAM map and open this link, RAM map. In here, you'll find this download RAM map link. Just click on that and we can see the RAM map is now downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, extract the zip file here, open the RAM map folder, and here find out rammap.exe. Double click on that to run the installer. Click on agree and we can see the RAM map is now successfully installed. So as you can see, my current RAM cache is 5.2 gigabyte. All you have to need to click this cache file from RAM map, click on empty and select empty standby list. And here we can see my RAM successfully clear. Thanks for watching.